What is going on, guys? Average Joe Grows here, and today I am doing a little unboxing on another light that we happen to be blessed with. This light is coming from the people at Growstar, and they went ahead and sent us the Growstar s600, I believe. I already opened it, but haven't fully opened it, so for record's sake, we're gonna go ahead and fully unbox it. So here it is. Obviously I can't show with my address and all that stuff on it, but okay, so once you unbox it, you go ahead and get the little manual. So we have the S series high-powered LED light manual, and it tells us the specs. So it tells us here this package includes one s600 or a s1200, depending on what you ordered, a hanging kit, obviously the power cord, and the user manual, which we are reading. And then it goes ahead and gives us some specs. So if you got the s600, then you would go off the first column. So it would draw out 128 watts out the wall. Gets as hot about 90 degrees. You got the output, input frequency, and all the other stuff. So it tells us the S600 can basically cover at the height of 9 feet by 8 foot wide, which I highly doubt that. But we're going to go ahead and test that out. It tells us it has a lifespan of 50,000 hours. So this is a little diagram. And then it tells us what type of, light it's going to be shooting out. Also has a warranty. And then you could fill out your little warranty card. So this is it. This is the light. So it's not too heavy, but it's also not the lightest thing in the world. So it actually feels like it's kind of chunky. So here we are. Came with some hinges to hang, just like the previous light we reviewed. Then we're going to go ahead and set this up, and then we'll see just how it looks, right? Alright, guys, we're back, and as you can see, it runs 3 different spectrums. It seems like it's running your average, white light, which would be daylight. It's also running blue, and it's also running red. So we're working with a very small space. So it seems like it's going to be perfect. I'm about to slap the plant underneath, and we're going to begin testing just how good this light is. Obviously, from day 1 all the way to the next update. But it has 2 fans. It's they're not the loudest, so they seem to be very discreet. And has some more information on the top. But yeah, guys, that's basically the review of the Growstar S600. I'm about to go get the plant and slap it underneath this light. That way we can start to see what results we can expect to get from this. But overall quality and how much space it covers, I would say that this is a great budget light if you are just looking to get started in growing, or if you'd like to test the waters and you want to give it a shot without having to put too much money into it. It seems like it's also not dispersing too much heat, but like I said. It seems like it would be perfect for a 2x2 grow space, if not slightly bigger, maybe even 3x3. Anything higher than that and you're pushing it, you might want to get something with a little bit more power. But for how much it cost, I would say that I highly recommend it. And I will come back to you guys with the plant underneath the light. Alright guys, so I am back. Obviously can't really tell the true colors. The plant was outside in its nighttime cycle, and now we're going to go ahead and, leave it underneath the first night of the Growstar. And within a week, I'll go ahead and run a brief overview of any drastic change we have. So right now I'm running it about 6 inches away from my plant. If I see that it's efficient at that height, then I will leave it there. If not, I may raise it a little bit more. So yeah guys, that is the review for this video. I just want to give a big shout out to Growstar for hooking us up with the light. And if you liked the video, go ahead and leave a comment, or go ahead and leave a like. Alright guys, signing out.